welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Muvhango from the 31st of October to the 4th of November 2022 on Monday. It's a do or die for Vhutshilo'Battle. Shares put Elilwane in her place on Tuesday. It's do or die for Vhutshilo'Battle. Imani feels Kumo is behind its disappearance and she'll stop at nothing to prove it. Shares put Elilwane in her place on Wednesday. Imani has an idea of which tracks Kumo may have forgotten to cover in its disappearance. Azwindini wants an epic wedding for Vhutshilo'Battle and Zama. Shares and Elilwane kiss and make up on Thursday. Kumo has a proposal for MMC that's set to change everything as they know it. Borosi is back and want to work side by side with Azwindini, but a strange event occurs in the village that seems connected to him. Kumo receives a phone call that indicates she's working with someone on Friday. Kumo forces everyone to attend an emergency board meeting. Borosi tried to secretly undermine Azwindini. Vangani tried to find out if Elilwane is his daughter. Chifeli Mbilu accuses the royal family of being behind the child's disappearance. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.